Hello, all the teachers. Hope you had a nice holiday. For this term's language class, we will use a short video to teach content for each week. Then we will use either class activities or Quizlet to help students practice language. For teachers who never used Quizlet before, I will show you quickly what you need to do for your own class. First thing first, sign up your own account. Directly go to the Quizlet.com and then you will be able to sign up your own account. And then you will be able to access all the functions there. Second thing is about the study set. I will share a link with you which will guide you to the study set for each week's content. When you click the link, you will be able to go to a page like this. It's pretty much all the flashcards that students learn for each week. It will have the Chinese word at the front page and then at the English meaning at the back. Students will be able to go through all these words by themselves at the beginning, and then when they scroll down, they will be able to use this button and then be able to listen to how to pronounce the word by themselves. And after that, students can go through all these functions here. From the top to the bottom, all the functions will have different parts to help scaffold students' learning. For example, if students click Learn, they will be able to go to a test page that requires students to find the correct Chinese characters of each English. And then they will be able to go through all of this by themselves. And that's pretty much all the learning students have to do for each week. You can share this link directly to the students and then they will be able to access all the functions by themselves. Or otherwise, you might want to create a class that you want your students to access them in a class. And to create a class, you have to go to the Quizlet and then click the Create button, and then Class, and then create the name for your own class, and make sure you click this off because you don't want your students to be able to add or remove your learning things. And then click the Traralgon College, Create, and then you will go to a class like this. So make sure you add a study set, make sure you add everything that students need to know in this class, and then share this link with your students. And then they will be able to join this class and get access to all the content you put here. And the next thing is about the study progress. This is a function that you need to upgrade your account to be able to check it. So basically, when your students have learned in this class and then they have used each functions, and then when you click this, view class progress, and then you will be able to see how many students have joined these activities and how many functions they have used. That's pretty much all the things you have to know about Quizlet. And if you have any questions or if you need my help to create a class from my side and to help monitor the progress of your students, please feel free to let me know. Thank you.